Good morning, students. So we have completed chapter number 2. Today we will start the new chapter number 4, that is basic geometrical ideas. Now what is basic geometrical ideas? Basic geometry is the study of points, lines, angles, surfaces. Okay. First of all, we'll see what do we mean by the point. What is a point? A point is just a location. Means it is represented by a dot. It has no length, no breadth, and no depth. It is just represented by a small dot and a capital letter. Suppose it is A. It can be A, B, C, D, or any alphabet you can represent it. This is the point A. Clear? Next we'll see what is a line segment. Line segment is formed by joining the 2 points. Let this point be A and this point be B. So we join the points A and point B by a line. This is known as a line segment. It has fixed length. Suppose it is 5 centimeter. So the line segment AB is 5 centimeter. Now what is a line? In the case of line, what happens? Suppose this is a line AB. What is the difference between line segment and line? In the line, the A point and the B point, they are not the fixed points. They can be extended in the opposite directions. Means point A can be extended and point B can also be extended. So it does not have a fixed length. We cannot measure the length of a line. Clear? Next is the ray. Now what is a ray? A ray has one fixed point like this. This point is fixed. That means this point cannot be extended in this direction, and one is the point B which can be extended in this direction. A ray has one fixed point. Okay, so length of ray cannot be measured. Okay. Now next is a plane. What is a plane? A plane is just a flat surface which extends indefinitely in all directions. We usually represent it in the form of a square, a parallelogram, or a rectangle on a paper. Clear? Now let us see what is the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. When two lines intersect each other at one point. Suppose this is a line and this is a second line. These two lines intersect each other at one point only. This is point P, suppose. So this is a common point of both the lines. The two lines which intersect each other at only one point, these lines are known as the intersecting lines. Okay. The next is the parallel lines. What do you mean by the parallel lines? When two lines do not intersect each other at any point, these two lines do not intersect each other at any of the points, and the perpendicular distance between these, suppose it is 3 centimeter. Here also it is 3 centimeter. Here also it is 3 centimeter. That means the perpendicular distance between the two lines remains same all the sides. Clear? All the times the distance between these two lines remains same. So these lines are parallel lines. Clear? So on the basis of these, you have to do the exercise 4.1. Thank you.